Ar atsimenate, yra demonai, kurie slepiasi, slapukaujantis demonai?
Because I'm removing the cloak around Lithuania that has stopped it from being seen.
From being seen, but the cloak is like what, like a cloth?
Yeah, like a blanket.
Blanket. Aš patraukiu tą antklodę, audeklą nuo Lietuvos, kuri, tarytum, darė mus kaip nematoma.
He said, Lithuania, far too long you have lived in the shadow of your neighbours.
Per ilgai Lietuvą tu gyvenai savo kaimynių šešėlyje.
But no more.
Bet viskas baigėsi. Taip nebebus. Amen.
What I sensed, what I felt in the Spirit was God's excitement about a rebirth of Lithuania. I don't tend to do much research on a nation before I go.
Aš neturiu įpročio išsityrinėti šalies tautos prieš atvykdama.
Because I want to hear from God.
Nes aš noriu išgirsti iš Dievo.
And I don't want to prophesy out of what I already know.
Ir aš nenoriu pranašauti tai, kas yra kaip faktai, ką aš jau žinau.
But when I saw those demons run out from the trees,
bet kada pamačiau tos demonus bėgančius iš po medžių,
what I then began to see was a bank balance. You know, like your...
Tada pamačiau kaip banko balansas.
Yeah, and I saw them increase. Because what I heard God say was, no, now that you're no longer hidden,
banko balansas, kuris auga, ir Dievas sakė, kad jūs jau nebesate paslėpti.
The finance that is rightfully yours,
ir finansai, kurie yra teisėtai priklauso jums,
will now come to you.
Ateis pas jūs.
But also,
bet taip pat,
all of the finance that was robbed
visi finansai, kurie buvo pavogti iš jūsų,
will be returned with interest.
Bus sugrąžinti su palūkanom.
That's a word I would like to hear over Scotland. But he said it over Lithuania.
He didn't say it over Scotland
yet.
Not yet. Dievas to nepranašavo su Škotijai, bet Lietuvai jau pranašavo.